to me, the most important question is now, what do you do with your time? Right? Because the typical, kind of Fortune 500 CEO's answer might be, oh, well, you lay off 30% of the staff and you throw that to the bottom line. But to me, that's kind of a dim view, right? To me, it's now, how do you empower people to do more meaningful work? So how do you take the time you saved as an event planner and where you might have been spent it on the rote, the routine, the repeatable, the administrative, the logistical, the stuff that can be automated away. If that's 20%, 30%, or 90% of your time, how do you throw it into doing the things that are uniquely human, at least for
Right.
now, right?
Right.
Like relationships, like
Yeah.
creativity, like innovation, like empathy, like, all of these things that I think really make a good events person stand apart.
Yeah. I mean, in my operation, in my agency, we're using it and it's slowly working its way into a lot of different, whether it's copy we're doing, editing this podcast, leveraging it on some website capabilities, outreach, on and on, some of our processes, agreements, invoicing, a lot of areas. And, I'm, as a pedestrian thinker myself and a D-list celebrity in the world of podcasting, we're using it to prepare for you as a guest. And it's freed me up to be more in simple, low-hanging fruit, making the questions simpler, although I'm a little bit long-winded, making the questions focused on what we now have learned about what our audience and our viewers and our outreach are hungry for and have an appetite for, to know. That has allowed me, I'm like testimonial. Can I get a witness? I'm testament to it. In my preparation, I've been able to be a little bit more present, a little bit more calm, get a little bit deeper, whether it's, I'm researching your videos and reading, checking out your books and looking at your bio and your topic descriptions and I have more time for that. And I'm not as rushed with some of the low hanging fruit of the day to day that is also gnawing at me. So that's just one small example. It's not transformative, let's say, but it is a 1% thing over time that will be transformative.
Right. That's right. I mean, it's if you expect instant overnight transformation, you're bound to be disappointed. But if you take those 1%, 2%, 3% wins and you build upon them, ultimately over time, you're transforming your practice and transforming the way you engage with your work.
100%.